How do you say white in Spanish? The word white in Spanish is blanco. Blanco. For example, quiero una camisa blanca. Quiero una camisa blanca. I want a white shirt. La nieve es blanca. La nieve es blanca. Snow is white. So as you've seen, blanco in the feminine becomes blanca, and in the plural you get blancos and blancas. Una flor blanca. Una flor blanca. A white flower. Los coches blancos están de moda. Los coches blancos están de moda. White cars are in fashion. Tus zapatillas blancas son muy chulas. Tus zapatillas blancas son muy chulas. Your white trainers are really cool. So if you want to say white in Spanish, you say blanco. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3 Minute Spanish by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME at checkout, you can get a discount. Gracias.